If you're interested in earning monthly income while gaining exposure to Bitcoin, then BTCI may be the ETF for you. It combines Bitcoin exposure with a covered call strategy to generate high monthly income. At a glance, we can see that BTCI has a monthly distribution, a relatively high expense ratio of 0.98%, and an extremely high distribution rate of over 27%. The primary investment objective of BTCI is to provide high monthly income with the potential for appreciation based on its exposure to Bitcoin ETPs. For those unfamiliar, a Bitcoin ETP is essentially an ETF that is 100% backed by Bitcoin, stored at a regulated crypto custodian, and has crypto insurance up to a limited amount. It's tradable like an ETF on a regulated stock exchange. It just has a different name because it is Bitcoin and not an exchange-traded fund of equities as you would normally expect. BTCI is a relatively new ETF that was launched in October of 2024. Since then, it's been paying dividends of roughly $1.20 to a high of $1.57. Next, let's take a look at BTCI's performance compared to other benchmarks. Here, I'm going to compare BTCI with JEPQ, HODL, which is the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, QQQ, JEPI, and VU. Moving on down to the chart, we can see that BTCI has slightly underperformed what it is based on HODL. However, this underperformance is somewhat expected because BTCI aims to generate income and not total returns. Although BTCI has underperformed Bitcoin, it has outperformed most of the other covered call ETFs. It could make sense to hold BTCI in a portfolio due to this overperformance. I don't think it would be wise to make an entire portfolio out of BTCI due to its volatile nature. However, as a small allocation, I don't really see a problem with BTCI. Some benefits of BTCI are that it has high monthly income potential, exposure to Bitcoin without direct ownership, and you gain access to an actively managed strategy to navigate market volatility. Some of the downsides of BTCI are that the high yield may come with increased risk. There's also potential for limited upside due to the covered call strategy. Investors should also be aware of the tax implications of something like BTCI. If you're still here at this point in the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked the video or subscribe to the channel. So who is BTCI designed for anyways? It's designed for income-focused investors seeking high monthly payouts, or those interested in gaining exposure to Bitcoin without the direct investment. Also, investors should be comfortable with the risks associated with cryptocurrency markets. With that being said, what do you guys think about BTCI? Do you think the dividend is sustainable? If you do or don't, feel free to leave a comment down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.